Hi, my name is Tendor. I'm the Executive Director of Students for Free Tibet. The Tibetan people have been crying out for freedom for the last 6 decades, and the Chinese government doesn't listen to them. The global public has been demanding human rights and freedom inside Tibet, and the Chinese government does not listen. In the last 9 months, since March 2011, 12 Tibetans have set themselves on fire in protest of Chinese rule inside Tibet. But the Chinese government has been denying these incidents. And now we are convinced that the Chinese government is actually deaf. But we have this hope that maybe they are not blind. And tonight, on December 10th, International Human Rights Day, we are outside the Chinese Consulate in New York, and we are going to project some images that we hope will send a message to the Chinese government that the Tibetan people and the global public want freedom and human rights for Tibet. More than 700,000 people have signed a pledge to take action for Tibet. And may this be a message to the Chinese government that they should stop the repression inside Tibet. Oh, we have to face outward. Yeah.
It's International Human Rights Day, December 10th, and tonight we're shining a light on the Chinese government's crackdown in Tibet. We're saying enough. We want a global intervention now to save Tibetan lives. Over 700,000 people have signed our pledge to end the crackdown in Tibet and call for a global intervention. We're bringing the voices of hundreds of thousands of people around the world onto the face of the Chinese Consulate in New York. We're also projecting images of the 12 Tibetans who have self-immolated in Tibet and messages for Tibetans inside to not lose hope, to stay strong and not to give up.
Today, it's International Human Rights Day. Tibet should be free, and the occupation of Tibet should never ever have existed. And we just want that all those Tibetans inside Tibet that are imprisoned in the imprisonment camps, they should be freed because they have their human rights. And being imprisoned for 7 years for holding the picture of the Dalai Lama is just not right. It's not fair to the world. It's not fair to them. And the UN, everybody, please support us. Go to standupfortibet.org. Free Tibet.